In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through text in OneNote. Strikethrough is a handy formatting tool for marking tasks as done, tracking edits, or visually de-emphasizing text without deleting it. I'll walk you through the exact process, along with a few tips to make it smooth and reliable. First, open the OneNote app on your computer. Any recent desktop version works for this, and it doesn't matter whether you're in a notebook for work, school, or personal lists. Give the app a second to fully load your notebook so your changes sync properly. Next, type some text that you want to strike through. You can start a new line like a to-do item, jot a quick note, or use existing text already on your page. The shortcut we'll use works the same whether it's a single word, a sentence, or a whole paragraph. Now highlight the text you want to format. You can click and drag across the words, double-click to select a single word, or use keyboard selection for precision. Holding Shift while pressing the arrow keys lets you expand your selection one character or word at a time. If you want to select everything in a text container, you can use the standard Select All approach to grab it quickly. Make sure the text is visibly selected before moving on. With the text selected, press Ctrl and the minus key together. That's Ctrl plus the hyphen on the main keyboard row, usually next to the 0 key. Hold Ctrl first, then tap the minus key once. You should immediately see a line appear through the middle of your selected text, confirming that strike-through has been applied. If you press the same shortcut again while the text is still selected, it toggles off, removing the strike-through. This makes it easy to mark items done and then restore them if needed. If nothing happens, double-check that the text is actually highlighted and that you're using the hyphen on the main keyboard row rather than a key on the numeric keypad. Also confirm your cursor is in the note and not in the title bar. On some keyboards, you may need to press the key firmly to avoid hitting the underscore by mistake. As a quick tip for those using different systems, many users find an equivalent shortcut available on other platforms, and you can also locate a strike-through button on the formatting toolbar if you prefer clicking. That's all there is to it. Open OneNote, type your text, highlight it, and use Ctrl plus minus to strike it through. Simple, fast, and perfect for staying organized.